So you're not a Platinum or Diamond VIFP cruiser, but you need to do laundry on board? We've got you covered.
Welcome back to another episode of 3 Minute Thursday here on the Cruise World. Today we're talking about onboard self-service laundry. But before we jump into that, let me quickly invite you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. This is your home for ship tours, vlogs, tips, tricks, and cruise entertainment. It's absolutely free, and turning on that notification bell will let you know when we post new videos like this one. Alright, if you're sailing on a short weekend cruise, doing laundry is probably the farthest thing from your mind. But if you're on a longer cruise or you spill something on your favorite outfit, whatever the reason, you're in luck because many modern cruise ships offer self-service laundry areas for their guests. Today we're on board the Carnival Horizon, and this ship has 5 different self-service laundry areas. And this being a Carnival Vista class ship, these locations are exactly the same on the Vista and the Panorama. Starting up on Deck 9, you'll find the Launderette on the port side at the forward of the ship, across from stateroom 9278. Now, this is the only location not only on the port side, but also at the forward of the ship, as the rest of the Launderettes are midship on the starboard side. Moving down to Deck 8, you'll find one right across from room 8339. Next up is Deck 7 across from room 7345. Now, the location on Deck 6 is across from stateroom 6347. And finally, down on Deck 2 is our last Launderette. It's located across from room 2381. All of these laundry rooms are equipped with multiple washers and dryers, as well as an iron and ironing board. There's also a vending machine for supplies like soap, bleach, and softeners. Now, you don't need to worry about bringing a pocket full of change with you, because the washers, dryers, and the vending utilize your sign and sail card for purchases. Did you know there were self-service laundry rooms on board the Carnival Vista class ships? Have you ever used them? Let us know down in the comments. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe with that notification bell on. But most of all, remember, life is short and cruising is fun. We'll see you next time.